So the other gym was closed, so I came to my gym at the apartment. And not exactly the free weights, but it's better than nothing to do squats. So here we go, just a warm up. I did deadlifts yesterday, so my hamstrings are a little sore, but it's all right. They're not that bad. So typically for a leg day, I just do squats and some lunges with dumbbells, and sometimes I'll do leg press, but this gym doesn't have the free weights. So the Smith machine, especially on an angle like that, it just feels awkward to do squats. And there's no leg press here either. So I did the squats on the Smith machine, and next I'll do some dumbbell lunges. And then for the third straight day, I'm gonna go running. Yeah, yesterday I went running after I did deadlifts. Deadlifts and squats are like the two most exhausting exercises you can do. I think it's a tie for first place. It's just such a draining exercise because it involves so many muscles. It's so strenuous. My hamstring's a little sore, so I'm just stretching them out right now. And then I'll do some dumbbell lunges and then go running. All right, so as you can tell, I'm exhausted. And just doing those two exercises, I did like 3 sets each. Just doing those exercises, I can't even talk. It's exhausting. But now I'm gonna go for like a 25-minute run. And that's it. It's like a total of an hour of a workout. Plenty in one day. All right, guys, I'm exhausted, even though I had to cut it short because I'm running out of time because I actually have to go into work tonight. So it ended up being like about a 15, maybe 20, I think 20 stretching it. Probably like 15-minute run. But, you know, after doing legs, definitely exhausting, especially it's like 86 degrees today and really humid. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.